Hello, this is Miss Lally. And this past Memorial Day, I asked my husband if he could put the cattle panel up for me. And so he did. Uh, the location that I picked, I'm okay with it. It gets morning sun and it gets good afternoon sun. And I like it because when the sun gets really hot, the garden gets shaded. So I was really satisfied with the location and excited once I saw everything coming up and I put my plants in place. I think my plants will do good. I already started to arrange them how I think they will do best in that location. Good morning. This is Miss Lally, and today is Tuesday, May 28th. And just want to come out and take a quick look at the garden. See, she's looking happy. She is looking happy. Um, so we got the cattle panel set up. Uh, yesterday it rained yesterday and the wind kind of whipped up a little bit. So because I had the cattle panel up, I went ahead while it was actually sprinkling out here and tied up some of my tomatoes so that the wind started blowing a bit rough, then those tomatoes that got a little height on it, they would be attached to the cattle panel, wouldn't blow all over the place. So let's take a look, see how everybody's. I'm not going to be out here that long because we're learning so much. Well, I am, because I'm out here a lot. I'm learning so much about the critters and the insects that's out here. And when it rains, the rain whips up the mosquitoes out here. Although it feels nice out here, I'm quite sure they're gonna realize there's breakfast out here, so I'm not gonna be out too long. But I went ahead and tied up my tomatoes so that it got a little windy, and they weren't blowing all over the place. These tomatoes, all of these are Abe Lincoln, got a little height on it. And here's my 2 determinate, and those are my 3 Parks. What are they called? Parks Mountain. And that's my classic beefsteak over there. I have some more classic beefsteak that I need to pot up. Hopefully I can, get around to getting that done. But everybody's looking great. So I'm going to attempt to have my tomatoes grow up just one stem. So my plan is not while I'm going to wait later in this week to come through, and I'm going to cut that. Looks like the sucker, and looks like this is going to be my main stem. Over here it's a bunch of these, but I think this one is going to be my main stem because it's already got some fruit production on it. So this is going to be my main stem. I'm going to cut this, I'm going to cut that, and then this one here, this is going to be my main stem right here. This is my main stem. I'm going to cut this sucker off right here, and any other suckers I see on these plants I'm going to cut off, because that's the plan, is to let these grow up just one vine. Try that out. And same thing with these Parks Mountain. I'm gonna do the same for them. Let's see how they do. Not gonna touch these determinate, as I've been learning off the internet. That's what I've been learning, so I'm gonna try it out. This will be my second time growing determinate tomatoes, so I'm not gonna do any cutting. But I see they already got some flowers going right there. I see y'all. And they have gotten taller. I see y'all. Okay. All right. So the potatoes have come out of the planter. What's left is a store-bought potato. Still looking good. There is some showing of browning on the leaves down here. My 2 corn plants, hopefully they'll be happy right there. I put the onions up there, the rescued onions up there, and these onions are still holding on. I'm not expecting, you know, great success with the onions this year or the garlic, but we'll see. Strawberries is still producing some strawberries, but definitely in this bin I'm gonna have to do something, because they're not producing like they used to. Because this bin is probably 4 years old. The blue bin is probably 2 years old. Here's the potatoes. Oh, they look ugly now. They look ugly. So I didn't think it was gonna rain as bad, but it did. So they're calling for very nice weather this week. Very low dew points. So I'm thinking either Friday or Saturday it might be my day. It doesn't look like it's going to be any rain. Let these buckets dry out good, and hopefully we'll be dumping them at the very end of May, the very beginning of June. Hello, this is Lally, and today is Friday, May 31st. And I'm about to dump this bucket. See what we got going on here. Whoa. Okay. So this is all right. So what we're working with here. That was the seed potato. Okay. Don't look like things went too deep. All right.
Am I pulling these up?
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Potatoes.
Can I get the tail?
You get these low ones.
I think this.
Not that one. Pull it.
I got it. A tail.
Mm-hmm.
These little snacky ones.
Have over here.
Yeah, you put it over there. Do it gently. Yeah, you just put it right there. And then see if there's any in the bucket.
Grab it. Pull it. There you go.
It's tail.
Yeah, potatoes.
Here.
Tail.
Put those over there. Get those potatoes and put them over there. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
It might not be any in there. That might be the,
Put it over there.
yeah, that's the seed potato. Looks like it. Mosquito guard.
Potato.
At least it's big enough to see. Yeah, I'm gonna call this bucket a bus.
Yeah.
Oh, you found one. Okay.
Got one. Got one more.
Oh, maybe you gotta go a little deeper.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You got one?
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
Well, it's not a bus. Cause these were small potatoes to start off with.
Get another one.
Another one? Okay.
These are.
You got another one?
Let's see.
She just wanna put her hands in the dirt.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a potato.
Mosquitoes are cute.
You're a potato.
Let's do it. One more dig. One more dig.
Now, see, this bucket, I didn't even dig down all the way deep. I just figured it wasn't going to be that many. But he's digging down deeper than
I think that's it.
that one. So that one's it. You want to do this one?
Here's it.
Potato.
Foot?
What?
Foot started itching. I thought he must have got me in my foot.
It's doing that potato. This.
Alright.
You're such big mosquitoes.
It's do this. I take it out. Whoa.
Uh-oh. Let's see that. Okay.
Wow. Take this potato out. Hey, where did it come from?
The bucket. Look. You missing? Sorry, am I in a camera shot?
Here.
Oh, no.
Pull it. Pull the potato. There you go. Pull that one. There you go.
She's getting beat up.
And then this one is still
Yeah, that might be the seed potato.
Yeah, put this in that pile right there.
You got another one? Oh! What in the... Type. Another potato.
Yeah, that was a seed potato.
Oh, okay. Is this canvas supposed to keep them away?
There you go.
It don't seem like it's doing a great job.
Yeah, they was right by you.
Mosquitoes, it's crazy out here.
There's still some more.
Whoa. Nice.
Put this over there.
I got another one.
Here.
I got another one.
I got another one.
Another one. Two. Wait. I got another potato.
Thank you, babe.
Yeah, I'm on mosquito duty.
We appreciate your mosquito repelling efforts. Okay.
One got you in your arm. Oh no. Is that a bite?
Here's a,
Oh no.
Oh.
This garden work out here, when you out here trying to do some garden work and fight mosquitoes at the same time.
You just should have put more clothes on. I didn't think about the mosquitoes.
I didn't even know mosquitoes gonna be out here like that.
Mm-hmm. And it's even worse when it rains.
Tail in there.
Yeah, I think that's it. We're gonna go down deeper. Down deeper. Down deeper. That's it.
That's it.
I'm earning that shower.
That'll be a shower well
It.
earned.
Yeah, one more pull it. Can you pull it? Okay, I got it. Excuse me.
What's that? Mama, you.
Mm-hmm.
Look it. Look it. Look it. Okay.
Get the potatoes.
I got you, tail.
I don't even worry about the little ones. Do you care about the real tiny,
Mm-mm.
tiny ones?
No.
You'll be this. Pull it. See?
Ooh, look at all those potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can pull that.
Good job.
I got this.
Almost got your foot, huh, Zuri?
I know one got mine. Alright, let's see what we can find. It'll work. Except they don't know.
Crazy, you got your foot. You had socks on.
Yeah.
They wanted a challenge.
They found a way to get to me. Yeah. You getting bit?
Why are you sitting down?
You good, babe?
You tired? So that's it. All right, so this is what we end up with. Fried potatoes. Some fried potatoes in the morning.
Fried potatoes.
Mm-hmm. It's not bad. I mean, the potatoes that I started off with, it was only 4 potatoes and they were small. And I had cut a couple of them. So that ain't too bad.